la structure de la phrase, so the structure of the sentence in French. Okay, so you'll see that in a way it's not that different from English, because we are using English here to study and for me to teach. So it means that for us it will be quite nice, because in a way French language will actually work or behave in a way similar to English. So first, normally will come the subject, le sujet. Then you will put the verb, le verbe, and after that will come what we call les compléments. Okay, so this is the normal structure of a sentence. You start with the subject, then will come the verb, and after that you will complete the sentence with more information, so basically des compléments. Okay, so let's see now an example. Je suis français. Okay, je, I, so it's the subject here. Suis, so it's to be, you conjugate it. I am français, in that case it's an adjective and it's French. Okay, je suis français. So it goes in that order. You will start with the subject, then you will put the verb. You can see that the verb is conjugated here, so you will have to modify it according to the subject. And then after that you will put more informations, adjectives, or then, well, other things if you want. And then a second example, tu habites en France. Okay, tu, it's you, habite, the verb is habiter, and then you conjugate it here. Habiter is to live. En France, in France. Okay, so you can see that in that case it's what we call complément de lieu. Okay, you introduce a place here. Tu habites en France. Okay, so but then we keep the same order, because that's normally the way we should do it. So first the subject, then the verb, same thing here, you conjugate it according to tu, and after that, in that case, you will put en France. Alright, so this is what we call a normal sentence, une phrase normale. Okay, but then of course, as usual in French, and this is something that you will discover with all these videos that I will make, we've got some exceptions possible, and then the modification, you can modify the sentences in some cases. Okay, but then this is the basic. Okay, you should keep in mind that first you will put the subject, then the verb is coming, and after that les compléments. Le sujet, le verbe, les compléments. Je suis français. Tu habites en France. And that's it.